it is way too early for any real cognitive ability. However, ladies and gentlemen, it is 6:37 a.m. On a Saturday morning, so I'd like to apologize to all of the residents here in Sun Valley, Idaho. We're about to get a cold start up on the Aventador and the Senna, so. I actually feel bad, it is so loud, but I'm sorry. We're gunning for 200 today. Yeah, it's gonna be a good day.
The Senna seeing it on the road, it does not fit in, especially here in Sun Valley next to a Kia. So we're headed to Starbucks. We're meeting up with a Bugatti Chiron. That's right, a Chiron.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog, and welcome here to beautiful Sun Valley, Idaho 200. Like, never doubt, full send. The goal is 200 miles an hour. We have 2.2 miles from start to finish. I cannot hit the brakes like last time, guys. Also, the real main goal is just to live. So the Aventador is right there, cooling off. We got the Senna, we got the Chiron. There's like 40 or 50 other cars, so I only have one run. I only have one opportunity to seize the moment. If I mess up, if I tap the brakes, it's game over. This course is a little bit tricky because it starts off straight, but then there's a sweeping uphill left-hand blind turn that then leads you down to, like, I don't know, mile-and-a-half straightaway. I should know my stats, but obviously I don't. So if I hit the brakes through that curve, it's game over. But I'm not gonna hit the brakes. I'm not gonna hit the brakes. You guys typing away that say I'm gonna hit the brake, I'm probably gonna hit the brakes. 4 or 5 years ago, I filmed my first viral video. It was a Bugatti Chiron Super Sport. It hit 246.4 miles per hour. That is the world record here in Sun Valley. But today, I think we might have a new king. We got the 1500 horsepower Bugatti Chiron. It is being driven today by a Bugatti factory test driver. So if anyone can do it, this is the car. W16 quad turbocharged. We're here like 6,000 feet in elevation. So having 4 turbos is infinitely better than no turbos, which I don't have any turbos, at least not yet. He has the US spec bumpers, which is curious because that is actually additional weight. I've been talking around trying to find a screwdriver, but nobody seems to have. I need to remove the wing off my car. I'm glad we had this conversation. I gotta remove the wing. I can't have that extra drag. So yeah, I gotta find a screwdriver for me, not for him. I'm not actually gonna do it. I mean, it would be kind of fun and it would actually help his speed. But we are getting the homie hookup. We're hopping in with O'Gara in the Rolls-Royce Cullinan. We're headed to the finish line because the Chiron and the Senna are heats 1 and 3. I'm running heat 5, so I gotta figure out a way back. I got a way there in the Cullinan. But, well, it's a Chiron. It might be doing 250. Like, seize the moment. Cullinan, this is, oh, we gotta roll. We gotta roll. Let's go. We are out here getting exclusive, unfettered access that nobody else is gonna get. So the Bugatti Chiron is getting ready to run. I don't think, correct me if I'm wrong, I don't think the Bugatti Chiron has ever officially tested its top speed. It did the 0 to 400 to 0, 240 miles an hour, 400 kilometers an hour. It did that run with Bugatti, but I don't think any Chiron has ever gone plus 240. So we are getting a world first here at the Sun Valley Tour de Force. I'm very excited. I think it'll do about 250 miles an hour. I mean, we only have 2.2 miles. We're at 6,000 feet in elevation. It does have 4 turbos, so yeah, we'll see.
He's flat. Oh yeah.
244.03.
God.
244.03 miles an hour. That is insane. The Chiron Super Sport 4 or 5 years ago, 246.4. So he's doing a second run though. I think the Senna's coming out right now. 244. $18781. We are racing back to the Cullinan, so the Chiron hit a recorded 244.02. However, the Chiron has an onboard speedometer, so we're gonna go get the actual official time there. The Senna did 187 and that 918 did 202, which begs the question, can an Aventador do 200 if a 918 can only do 202? However, the driver is key, which that doesn't really help my, yeah.
At the start line.
There it is, 253 miles an hour. Wow, that's amazing. So the Chiron did 253 miles an hour. That is the new record at the Sun Valley Tour de Force. I can't even imagine those speeds. The Aventador, we're getting prepped and ready to roll. The wing is off. The 918 did 202. I think I can. The finish line speed reader is having maybe some malfunctions. That Chiron did 253, but it recorded at 244.02. The Senna was recorded at 187, but he saw 202 on the speedometer. We got the Huracan Evo as well. So they're getting ready to do round 2. Unfortunately, the Chiron is down for the count. One of the rear passenger tire is not looking good. The Heritage GT on one side, and we got the Chiron on the other. We are in good company. So the wing has been removed. The problem is I don't know what to do with it. I think I just ditched it in the bush. I have all this luggage right here. Obviously this is unnecessary weight, so we're gonna remove that and go put it in the ditch. Yep, that's happening. We're just dumping all of our gear right here in the ditch. Carbon fiber wing, that's worth like $2,000, but I think there's a $4 million Chiron, we're gonna be okay. Heat number 4 is about ready to roll. We got the Aventador SVJ, we got the 600 LT, so I'm heat number 5. The nerves are kind of sort of starting to kick in. 200 miles an hour, like safety truly is of the utmost importance, because if I lose control, like that could be it. Mom, I love you. Also, I just realized I haven't eaten today, which is actually, I mean, it's actually a good thing because that's less weight, which, yeah, I need to drop weight, so I'm not eating. It's time to move into position. I thought the car wasn't gonna start there for a second, but we're good, we're good. The moment has come. It's like 95 degrees out, and I got my fire suit. I don't want to wear this, but Mom, this is for you. I'm gonna be sweating bullets, but, well, the Aventador has been having those overheating issues, so if it were to engulf in flames, this would save me. Aventador SVJ 20993. I have no excuses. I have to hit 200 now. I mean, he does have an extra 70 horsepower, but I should be able to do 200. It's getting hot out. Heat is rising, which is not in our favor. We're at like 6,500 feet in elevation. But boys, this is it. Good thing I have that wing. We're driving to the start line right now. I have a TPMS sensor on right now. Car's kind of been sitting, so I just need to sort of like warm up that rear driver tire. She'll warm up, don't worry, she'll heat up, hopefully. There's a lot of people, and there's a fire truck, thankfully. We're not gonna need the fire truck, okay? Don't talk about that. The SVJ did 20993. I got no excuse whatsoever. I gotta go full send through that corner. That's it. I mean, that's what's gonna determine my success or my failure at hitting 200 miles an hour. The TPMS sensor did go off. The engine is not overheating, so, and the door is not squeaking. It's a good day. Never, ever, ever doubt. Well, there is a little bit of doubt, but it's very, very minimal. I cannot convey to you, it is so hot in this thing. We're good though. Top speed in a 2012 Lamborghini Aventador. It's 135 footage to the floor. Do not lift. Oh, I'm getting radio stop. I'm being told to stop. What just happened? This is James in the Aventador. Do I stop on the road? It's just my luck. Apparently an ATV pulled out. I was foot to the floor. I'm assuming I'm gonna get a second opportunity, but I don't really know. I don't know what you guys could or could not hear, but apparently an ATV pulled onto the road. I was told to stop, so I came to a complete, close enough to complete stop. I'm assuming I'll get around to. I have to, right? Good news, they're gonna let me take a second pass at it, but unfortunately, that was the perfect run. My foot was planted. I think I hit about 165 before I was told to stop on the road. Apparently an ATV was coming from, I don't know. I don't know, I was told to stop, but there will be a round 2. I don't know if you guys can see all my TPMS sensors like lit up because I think the tires got so incredibly hot. So we're in pole position, we're gonna do another run. We got the SVJ following suit. He did 20993. I think I can get 200. In some ways, it's actually a good thing because I got a free practice. I got a free run. I was foot to the floor through the corner, so I just got to do the same thing. Don't mess up. Never doubt. Full send. We got 200, boys. We got it. We got it. It is so hot. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna be okay. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. There's 85. Let's go. 110. Come on, Aventador. Foot is to the floor. 140. There's 165. I got a couple TPMS sensors. 168. 177. 180. Aventador, 207, 208, 209 indicated, 209 indicated, 210, 210, we saw 210, oh my gosh, oh. We saw 210 indicated, baby, 210 indicated on the speedometer. Whew, that was scary as could be, oh my gosh. Do you know what it was?
I think they're probably going to ask you to go again, because the reading came up at only 209 miles an hour.
Yes! Yes! The speedo said 209.
209.93.
Yes!
That's awesome.
That's sick. Smug, we did it, we did it, we did it. 209.93. I just wanted 200 and we far exceeded that. The crazy thing is the SVJ round one also did 209.93, but then his second round, this guy went full send, 215.11 right there. 209.93. This car tops out at 217, so boys, we did it. Now we can always keep it under 55 because we've achieved it. I just wanted to point out, not only did I do 209.93, I also had the slowest time of the entire day. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. 60.67. That's when I had to stop. Yeah. 209.93 Stradman Aventador. So the SVJ, which is somewhere in here.
SVJ is right
there. 215.11. It's a good thing we removed the wing because I don't think we would have hit 200, but now we got to restall. The Aventador, it looks silly without a wing. Like if you have an Aventador without a wing, get one. We're headed 5 hours back to Utah in the most expected sequence in the vlog ever. The check engine light, it's back. We have made it here to home, sweet home. Check engine light is still on. The entire weekend in Sun Valley, the door, wait, are you kidding me? Are you? The entire weekend in Sun Valley, I could not get the door to squeak one time. We were at the car show last night. I was trying to get it to squeak. It would not squeak, which begs the question, does it only squeak in Utah? Or does it only squeak in this garage? Anyways, guys, like 200 miles an hour. We did it, we did it, we did it. Not only did we do it, we crushed it. 209.93. I wish every single one of you guys could have been there. From 180 to 210, that was a crazy, crazy adrenaline rush. Like just major tunnel vision. The whole car is just kind of floating there over the pavement. Kind of sort of uneasy, but what an experience. Massive shout out to the Sun Valley Tour de Force. Thank you to Whitney and Maya, the organizers, for letting me run the Aventador. So much fun. I met so many cool people, so many of you guys. Thanks for coming out to support me. Oh, I cannot wait till next year, which begs the question, next year, will I be running the C8 Corvette? Most likely. Anyways, on that bombshell, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.